A mangrove associate in which the flowers and fruits can be cooked and eaten as vegetables. What tree is it? Introducing toy Dolichondron spataceae of the family Bignonaceae. The genus Dolichondron is a contraction of two Greek words, dolichos meaning long and andron meaning male, referring to the long stamens of the flower. The species name Spatacea is from the Latin term spataceus meaning resembling a spot, referring to the form of its sepals. This medium-sized, slow-growing mangrove associate tree prefers full sun exposure for optimal growth. Toy is also known as mangrove's trumpet because of its bell shape, flowers with long tubular corolla. Its wood is suitable for light construction and small household goods, toys, and wooden shoes. Its branches are used as the flute for facing nets and as firewood and fuel wood. The bark, leaves, and seeds of toy have medicinal uses. In the Philippines, the pultis of the bark and fresh leaves is given to women after giving birth, particularly applied to minimize flatulence. The young flowers and fruits can also be cooked and eaten as vegetables. This is marks caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.